Hi, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you on the dyno stand we have our 351 Windsor, 350 horsepower engine combination. Came out absolutely sweet. This customer chose to go with the black block with the black ignition wires. He's putting this one into an 84 Bronco. This should really bring this thing to life. Go over a little bit about this engine package build. We start out with a late model 351 Windsor block. Do your 351 crank I-beam connecting rods. It's got a set of Keith Black performance pistons in it. It's got a Comp Cams custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft. Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads. Performer RPM intake from Edelbrock. This customer happened to go with the Holly car upgrade, 750 CFM to Ultra HP. It was a very nice choice. And we got the MSD Atomic EFI. Just made some fabulous power in previous dyno runs. I think you guys have been pretty impressed. Stay tuned to the video.